Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily copy a directory address on your Windows 11 File Explorer. It works the same as in earlier versions of Windows as well, but this should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up File Explorer and navigate over to whatever path you want to copy up at the top. Go ahead and just click inside of an empty part of the white search bar, and then you should see now it's highlighted, the search path. Right click on it and select copy, and that's all you have to do. And if you close out of here, you could paste it into a different File Explorer window as well. Just delete the old text and then paste in the new directory path, and it'll take you right there. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.